project is about developing PrOH Modelling, which is a type of soft systems thinking that you can use to change organisations and increase their digital maturity. I liked what the money was for, because quite often research money is about helping companies directly or to try and write an academic paper for a journal. And what this money enabled me to do was to develop the methodology itself more. And it's very rare to get money like that, so that's why I went for it. I have a methodology called PrOH Modelling, and what that helps is to change organisations. So we've worked with a number of manufacturing companies, both large and small, so the likes of Rolls-Royce Aerospace, and some smaller companies in the automotive industry, the furniture industry, and the tiling industry. And all of these companies are trying their best to digitalise, whether it's manufacturing or sort of strategic processes. And there's kind of a lack of confidence and know-how to do that. And so the methodology that we have, the systems thinking, PrOH Modelling methodology, enables people to think that through quite carefully and find providers of technologies or the skills to do the digitalisation for them. Well, the way I always think of these problems is three elements to it: is people, process, and technology. So all of my projects are kind of about technology, but the most important aspect is actually the people, because you can have the best technology in the world, you can have the best data in the world, but without the people understanding the technology and the data, they're absolutely useless. So you've got to have a people-centric view, and the PrOH Modelling methodology that we use puts people quite literally in the centre of the picture, and it tells you who is doing what, where it's going to, and where it's coming from. The idea is to create a system or a system of systems that explains the digitalisation, the role of data, and the role of people within the system of systems. I've found it great. I found the application process quite quick and streamlined, and I found the management of the project itself rigorous without the rigor mortis. So it kept things lively, it kept things going, and as a result, I think we've produced a good output. The main output for us was our website, which is promodeller.org. I think there's lots of tools and methods and videos produced, both on the InterAct website and on our own project website, promodeller.org. I hope people will go to those websites, they'll download the resources, they'll read the papers, they'll use the tools and the methods, and that's what will give the project longevity, really. It's the old cliche, 3 people fish, feed them for a day, teach them how to fish, they'll go on fishing and feeding themselves. So I think that's what InterAct has really given us. It's given people tools and methods that are theoretically based, practical and rigorous, and should be used in industry to good effect. My hope is that people will be upskilled, processes will become digitalised, and companies will be more effective at whatever they choose to do, whether that's increased productivity, increased effectiveness, or increased corporate social responsibility, or reducing environmental impact, their footprint. Whatever they choose to do, I think these tools are there as enablers to help them do it more quickly with less resource.